Dang. My Rubik's Cube is getting really full. Hardly put the lid on it. What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. And today in this video I'm going to be unboxing 3 brand new Rubik's Cubes. So I have an Ivy cube, and then we have this cube. I don't even know what this cube is called. I just randomly found it. There is a little sticker on the back, but I can't read what it says because of the QR code. But yeah, that is this, whatever it's called. And the 1x1x3, which is basically, or a Rubik's Edge by Hasbro. So, I'm gonna begin with the 1x1x3. So here we go, let's begin. No, there we go. Okay, so I got the actual cube, the cube off. Got it? Okay, here we go. Let's put it over there. So this is the 1x1x3. So this thing is pretty unique because it doesn't have the other 3 sides, and it's pretty cool. So I'm going to attempt to mix it up, or I can mix it up, but I'm going to try to attempt to solve it. So here we go. I don't know how this thing even works. Dang, this is really weird. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this later because I have no clue how you solve this because it's like, it's all messed up. It's so weird. So yeah, I'll learn how to solve this later once I get better and stuff, but I'll put that to the side. So I will be able to solve that later. And now let's move on to this Ivy cube. Okay, so opening the box. Oh, okay, well I just peeled that, whatever. Okay, so here we go. This is the Ivy cube. How do you turn it? Whoa! So this is pretty cool. It's basically like a normal cube. Well, it's not actually a normal cube. It's just made of ivy this time. Or, whoa! Oh my god! Okay. Oh, I dropped it. That was scary. So this is like a normal cube. Well, not really. It's kind of different. It's basically, it looks like an ivy. So that's really the only thing it is. So, I mean, I guess I'll try to solve it. Hopefully things go well. I do not want to mess this up, but here we go. I'll just wait till I solve it. Oh, I accidentally solved it. All right, if I accidentally solved it, it must be not that hard. Okay, so I'm gonna try to solve this one more time and see if it works. So here we go. Hopefully this works. Oh, I just solved it. Okay, well, I just solved it. I did not know I would just randomly solve it, but all right, here we go. I just solved that one. So now let's solve this wacky cube. I do really need to know the name of it though. So let me try to like scratch off this QR code. Okay, let's just open it and see if there's a title inside. So it does come in solved, but I have to know what it's called. This is called a speed cube. Okay, whatever. So I just peeled this off and it says it's called a speed cube. Yeah, so I don't know what this cube is called. I apologize, I have no idea. So, alright, here it is. It looks really cool. So you can, it's like really cool. You can twist it and turn it all certain directions. And there's also this really cool design I want to talk about. So if you get it like, so it's basically doing the checkerboard pattern. And then if you get it like this, check that out. Doesn't that look like a ball from Geometry Dash? This is a Geometry Dash reference. It looks like a ball from Geometry Dash. That's so cool. That's pretty neat. So let's now get it back to solved. And I'm gonna try to solve this. So here we go. Whoa! I just solved that. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Well, I cannot believe I just solved that. And I did a little bit of researching too, and I found this is called a windmill cube. So I basically just solved a windmill cube. That's crazy. Wow, this thing is all messed up too. That's really cool. I'm gonna try to solve this now. I'm gonna have to probably look online to figure out how, but I am gonna solve this today. So yeah, I'll just do a little bit of research. Okay, so I just did a little bit of researching, and I think I'd be able to solve it. So here we go. Let's give it a shot. And bam, I just solved the Rubik's Edge. Wow, okay, so that took a while, but I solved this Rubik's Edge. It's actually a lot easier than it looks, and I didn't know that until I researched it a little bit. But yeah, so that's basically gonna be it. I unboxed these 3 brand new Rubik's Cubes. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.